Today I was surfing on Instagram and fell upon a beautiful recipe. It's from vegan Richa. It's a baklava lassi. Well, this is not a baklava lassi, but this is a baklava smoothie. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I'm going to make a baklava smoothie. Yes, it's keto friendly, low carb, diabetic friendly, and protein rich even. You know, I like to add and make it a complete meal, so when you are hungry you can have it as a meal. So let's begin with it. Basically, this baklava smoothie is a fusion of lassi, smoothie and baklava. Yes.
These are your salted pistachios, of which I have removed the shell, so you don't have to search for the unsalted pistachios. You can use your normal pistachios. Just remove the skin because the salt in it enhances the flavor of the smoothie even.
So I am adding my protein portion, that is my homemade paneer or the cottage cheese. You can get from the market bought even.
That is my protein portion. You can use hung curd, which will give the lovely taste of the baklava. This is the pistachio cinnamon baklava. You can use any sugar free you want. Some rose water added to take this baklava to a different level. The zest of the lemon is very good for your health.
And some proteins from the chia seeds also goes inside it.
You can add almond milk even if you want. Doesn't it look gorgeous? It's quite thick, perfect for enjoying it as a meal or as a snack, whatever you like. And my smoothie is almost done, so let me taste whether it is sweet or do I have to add more sugar free sweetener or any other ingredient. See the thickness, can you see? It's perfect thick, and you know, as you let it sit, it will get more thicker because of the chia seed. And I'm tasting it. It is super delicious.
I've added the beautiful, delicious this pistachios into it and some walnuts, some lemon zest, some cinnamon, some some chia seeds. So you're going to just love it.
Dropping in the glasses. You can take it out in a bowl even. You can carry it to your workplace even. Just take it out in a Tupperware glass. It's so thick, and as it will sit, it will become more thick, as I had said, because of the chia seeds. So this quantity makes 2 glasses of smoothie. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Perfect meal for the teeny weeny hunger and also for a big hunger.
So here comes the tasting time. I have 1 glass for you all and 1 glass for me. So I'm going to drink my portion. It has a lovely flavor. The pistachios, walnuts is giving a beautiful. In fact, I'm feeling I'm having baklava. And I'm not joking, you have to just go and make it to believe it. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries so I can answer it. And also please press the bell icon to receive the notification of my new video. So here, grab your portion from me